Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is Tuesday. It's July 30th, 2024. Right now is 10:53. So last night future open, and I would say kind of like looks pretty good, and then have been kind of chopping around in the middle of the opening zone, but later it kind of have a big push to the downside, and it was not able to sustain and kind of dropping below this kind of opening zone and really sharp and fast. It came down to here 54.79, and from the top here is like 55.08. So like a 30 points drop from the top there to down here. So essentially kind of like the half of the more than half of the yesterday's range. I mean the futures range here. So from there it kind of come back really hard, and it's without kind of like a precise calculation. If we look at the kind of a closing level here, and it pretty much is kind of went down this much, and then later it went up that much. So it's a kind of like it appears to be kind of like a symmetric there. Now the tricky part is that the opening. So 9:30. So 9:30 is kind of a stand at the top here. If we go here, it's like if we go over here, it's like it open, it gap up like it opened up 15 points, and keep going higher. It actually went above this opening zone, and however it was not able to kind of went above this a little bit more here. So essentially what happened is, I mean, from the from here to here, it's like it's a kind of, so this is 63 something, right? So, and it went up that kind of that more than 21 points, but it came back down and kind of get to the next base here, but it came back down and later kind of breaking below here, and that's typically that's kind of bad sign when it did that, and after that it come back to the center, the opening center here, but it was not really quite kind of get back above the center here, and later kind of keep drifting down, and the thing is it went up 21 and 65 points here, it kind of went back down here, so there are more to come. And so the market actually if we look at here, it keep kind of coming down here, and go all the way, and it never retrace back like this 20 this kind of 20 points retrace. So it essentially it moved kind of double of the range of yesterday. It's like the total that today it moved is like it's like 87.76, almost like 88 points. So it went all the way down to this this 5402 ish here. So yeah, so it's 5401.7, and later it came back and it went all the way back to the middle. As you can see here, it went back to this level, and then it basically have a big kind of a push, kind of a retrace down here, and but it did not retrace say more than like 20 points. By the close, it actually have a big strong push above, and it actually pushed above this middle level and even higher, went above 54.50, and it's quite convincing it's going to go even higher, probably going to go to this 54.66, but this gravity pull is pretty strong here. It came back down. I thought it was going to close at the middle, but at the end it actually more kind of close at the middle. I would say kind of more than the middle of this between these two base, like 54, 41, 42 ish to this the other level here is 54 20. So it actually is more than that. It's much closer to this 54 41 89 level. This is a pretty strong push. It almost like well, I cannot say it's kind of the middle. It's kind of like a mirroring. So this is a 54 52, and basically the middle here is about 54 45. That's a kind of 7 point, and it closed at 54 36 and 44. So that's a really magnificent kind of move today, and but in the big picture it's just like a pendulum, so it's a moving, swinging pretty hard. The future had already opened, and so and if we look at here, the future open actually pretty quickly. It went above this opening zone, and now I've been kind of it seems like it's slowly, stage by stage, going higher, and being the fact that the SP 500 moved like almost like 88 points today, and I believe tomorrow the total move may be likely going to be 88 points ish or even higher, and especially with the Fed like Fed rate decisions, and right now it's not quite at like a 23 points, or I mean if we look at it, it's like about 22 points. So it should move like at least 22 points, and likelihood it could go another 10 or 20 points from here. So overnight, I believe it's going to go at least back above this 5,500 level. So it will be interesting to see that what it looks like tomorrow. And with all the drama went on today, at kind of going up and down and things like that. Probably tomorrow, probably going to, but we don't know. I think there should be some good run, but before the decision, there could be some kind of freak out moment as well. So it would be just something quite interesting, and we shall see. Let's quickly look at the calendar. So calendar for Wednesday, and first one is like at 7 o'clock is about the mortgage data, and then 8:15 have a ADP employment change, and 8:30 have the employment cost information, treasury refunding announcement. 9:45 have the Chicago PMI, and 10 o'clock have the pending home sales and also the crude oil inventory. And then it's as usual 11:30 have the treasury bill auction, and the critical moment came at like 2 o'clock. First that's the decision, and then 2:30 that's the Fed press conference. That for sure is going to be very, very volatile, and we should see what's going to happen tomorrow. And it could be, well, we don't know. So the move tomorrow, it could be dramatic, like in the morning, and then probably going to, it could be kind of really crazy tomorrow, and then we'll find a spot for the before 2 o'clock, and then of course there will be really, really crazy reaction. And just be careful, and that's all I have to share with you. Wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.